The globe contains many types of plants. Here are the top 10 plants you haven't seen before. Enjoy watching. Victoria amazonica. Victoria is considered one of the strangest and most beautiful plants in the world. It is found in the shallow waters of the Amazon River. It is one of the largest types of pearls and aquatic plants in the world. Clings firmly to the rocks and stones around it so as not to be swept away by water currents. Its roots may reach a length of 8 meters and a diameter of more than 3 m. Its leaves are famous for their bright green color and their bases are ruby red. It also has the beauty of geometric shapes in the veins of its leaves. Her flowers have the ability to change their color so that they are white the first night and they open up to become pink the next day. Its leaves can carry babies. Rather, she was seen carrying adults on her papers without crushing. You can carry up to 60 kilograms. Hydnora africana. Of the exotic plants, the flowers of this plant have a strange appearance, and they take this shape in order to hunt insects, because they release a strange and unpleasant smell that attracts beetles to it. Hydnora africana grows underground and its flowers look like beetles. Hydnora africana has been found in some desert regions of Africa, especially in South Africa. Hydnora africana is classified as a parasitic plant. It is leafless, that is, it is chlorophyll-free, and the buds of these plants grow underground and reach a height of 100 to 150 millimeters. Baobab tree. It reaches a height of 25 to 30 meters. The diameter of its trunk is 11 meters. It is located in Western Sudan in the state of Kordofan, and the lake is empty from the inside and may accommodate several people. In Western Sudan, people use it as a water storehouse to collect rainwater, and they can hold about 10,000 to 25,000 liters of water. The benefits of this tree are many. Its thick bark makes fibers from which to make fishing nets, ropes and fabrics for bags and coarse clothing. Its vast shades are used as classrooms in some villages, as well as mosques and village forums. Dionea muscipula. It is found in a small coastal region in North Carolina and South Carolina in the United States of America and is classified as a rare species in the world. The height of the dead is about 30 centimeters. The valve blade, moving on the middle vein and the top surface of each valve, has 3 sensitive capillaries. The edges are surrounded by sharp thorns. When one of these hairs touches an insect, the 2 valves are closed to close the insect between them, and as soon as they finish their delicious meal until it opens again. Cinnabar dracaena. Of the strangest and most beautiful trees in the world, the exterior is very amazing, as it is distinguished by its height and the gathering of its legs in the form of a dense canopy. Where it appeared in the Mediterranean basin, located in the Canary Islands and the Yemeni island of Yemen. You should endure rocky and high places, and the blood trees of the 2 brothers or the dragon's blood keep the water inside for long periods. A type of cochineal resin is extracted from the bark. The resin is used in preparing some medical treatments as well as a type of dye extracted. Corpse flower. It is the largest flower in the world, more than 3 meters long. However, it smelled very unpleasant, like the smell of rotten meat, so it was called a carcass, or carcass. This flower grows in Sumatran forests and does not resort to other flowers that emit a sweet smell to attract butterflies and bees to pollinate them, so the corpse chose to pollinate flies and beetles that lay their eggs in rotten flesh. The reason for the smell is to attract these insects. Devil's teeth fungus. A type of fungus inedible. The weirdness of this fungus lies in its white, tooth-like shape, and it bleeds blood. The unusual appearance of this fungus in some places, and it is unknown, made it called several names, including cream and strawberry, bleeding teeth, and demon teeth, and one of the characteristics of this fungus is that when it is small it is easily recognizable, but when it grows it becomes brown in color and its shape is not described. It was first discovered in North America and more recently in Iran in 2008 and later in Korea in 2010. Rafflesia arnoldi. This wonderful flower is considered the largest flower in the world, with a diameter of 1 meter and a weight of 11 kilograms. It grows in forests and shrubs in Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia and the Philippines. Live on others. Parasitizes surrounding plants like mushrooms. It is one of the largest plants in the world, and this flower is considered one of the rare flowers because its buds need several months to grow, and even after the open flower grows live only a few days, so scientists were surprised how this flower continues to this day without extinction. Ginger flower is one of the strangest flowers in the world. Beehives may look like they belong to the family of pine cones, but they actually belong to the ginger plant. These flowers can be grown inside but require a lot of care in large vessels, some of which grow to reach a height of 6 feet, and the flowers are small and white. Dracunculus vulgaris. This plant is called the dragon tree, and it is a violet stem with several leaves connected 30 centimeters wide, or more. Like its predecessors, this plant is characterized by its unpleasant smell. This plant feeds on flying insects. Thank you for watching.